With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, you are given with a question and the question says a tuning fork of frequency 440 Hz is attached to a long string of linear mass density 0.01 kg per meter. Kept under a tension of 49 Newton, the fork produces transfer waves of amplitude 0.50 millimeter on the string. First of all, we have to find the wave speed and the wavelength of the waves. Second, find the maximum speed and acceleration of the particle. And third, what average rate is tuning fork transmitting energy to the string? So first of all, we will write down the given data. We are given that the frequency is 440 Hz for the tuning fork. Linear mass density is given as 0.01 kg per meter. The tension in the string is 49 Newton. The amplitude is given to us as 0.50 millimeter. First of all, let the wavelength be lambda. Let wavelength be lambda, right? So therefore, we can write that the speed would be equal to root over of T by M, since that is the formula. Therefore, we can write V to be equal to root over of 49 by 0.01, which is equal to 7 divided by 770 meter per second. So that would be the speed. Since we know that V is equal to F lambda, that is velocity. So from here, lambda would be equal to V by F. So lambda, V we found out, that is 70 divided by 440 it would be. So that is equal to approximately equal to 16 centimeters. So that is for A. Now we have to find the maximum speed and acceleration. So B part is maximum speed and acceleration. Right? So maximum speed is Vmax. Since we can write Y to be equal to A sine omega t minus kx. So V is equal to nothing but dy by dt, which is equal to A omega sine omega t minus kx. So V max here would be equal to A omega, right? Which is nothing but, since A is 0.50 millimeter into 10 to the power minus 3 into omega would be 2 pi f, 2 pi into 440. So this is equal to approximately 1.38 meter per second. Similarly, acceleration would be equal to dv by dt. That is equal to A omega square. Here it would be cos omega. Here this would be cos, not sine. So it would be equal to sine omega t minus kx. It would be negative. So A max here would be equal to minus A omega plus A omega square, right? Magnitude wise. So that would be equal to 0.50 into 10 to the power minus 3 into omega square, that is 4 pi square into 440 square. So this turns out to be equal to 3.8 kilometer per second square. Now the last question, that is part C. We have been asked that at what rate is tuning fork transmitting energy. So at what rate? So average rate comma P is given by 2 pi square F square into V into A square. So that is the average rate. So that is equal to 2 into pi square can be written as 10 into F square, right? So F square is nothing but 440 square into V, which is 70 into A square, that is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 the whole square. So this value turns out to be 0.67 watt. So this would be the average rate. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.